today I am going to just simple configuration of switch to switch. So just I am teaching how to trunk with one switch to another and ping with each other. So I have a two switch and then two PC. So two PC here and two PC here. Okay. So after that I am just connecting the serial cable and then connected this PC. So the connected each other. So this I'm going to create two VLANs. So just type look VLAN 10 here VLAN 10 172.16.2 172.2.16.11.3 and here 192.168.50.3 192.168.50.2. Now for VLAN 20 I'm also giving the IP address. So 192.168.50.0 50.0. Okay. And here also so move then double click and move to 0. So this PC IP is the PC IP is 172.16.11.2. Let's start the configuration. So I am going to configure here and then click to CLI. After this enable into the terminal VLAN 10 name Sumit Egypt int VLAN 10. So I am giving the IP of one of this VLAN. So IP address. So VLAN 10 is not needed the IP address, but I am giving the IP address of my VLAN. So IP address 172.16.11.1 255.255.0. Okay, and no sort is repeated. So int hash 0/1 switchboard mode. So switchboard mode and trunk. Okay, so switchboard trunk allow VLAN all. So right now I am configure only one VLAN. It's 10, so I am configure the another VLAN. So VLAN 20 name exit and then exit. So int VLAN 20 and then IP address of VLAN. So 192.168.50.1 and then 255.255.255.0 and no sort already done. So 10 and 20 is already configured. So in and so run, you have to see here is the 10 and 20 configured and VLAN also. So VLAN is already 10 and 20. So but the interface is not called. So config int hash 0/2 switchboard mode access switchboard access VLAN. So 10 Egypt int hash 0/3 switchboard mode access and switchboard access VLAN 20. So VLAN 10 and 20 is configured. Then to in this and save this configuration. After save configuration, then go to your desktop here and then type the IP address of that PC. So 172.16.11.11.3 and then give /24, so 255, and here the gateway is not needed, but you have to put the gateway is also 172.16.11.1. Okay, then DNS is not needed right now, so closed. And then here ping 172.16.11.1 is the gateway. So first package is going to go and it will reach. Okay, so it will configured PC successfully. Then you have to go here for this PC IP address. So I am going to configure 192.168.50.3, then 24, then gateway 192.168.50.1 closed, and then go to here and my ping 192.168.50.1. So everything first packet is going to drop and then it will be reachable. Okay, it's working fine. Then go to another switch and another switch. You have to configure VLAN. So enable configure VLAN 10 name Smith Egypt VLAN 20 name Shivji Egypt. So interface VLAN 10, then give the IP address of this VLAN. So I'm going to VLAN 10. So the 10 is 172.16.11.4 255.255.255.0 and no for, and then for VLAN 20, so IP address 192.168.50.4 255.255.255.20. So this 4 and this 4 is for access the switch. When you do not have the console, then you have to access from 40. Okay, so VLAN is configured. Then you just go to your interface int fast 0/1 switchboard mode and trunk allow VLAN all. Okay, so here we are configured to VLAN, but I am putting the added all VLAN. Okay, then you have to go to interface fast 0/2 switchboard mode access VLAN 10 and then anti fast 0/3 switchboard mode access VLAN 20. Okay, so the configuration is finished. So go to your PC desktop and then here you have to put the IP address of this PC. So this PC IP address is 172.16.11.2 and 255.255.255.0, and the gateway of this PC is right now I am configured in switch 16, 11 and 4. Okay, So ping 172.16.11.4. So first packet is dropped and then it will be disabled. Okay, and then you have to go to another switch or another PC and then IP 192.168.50.2 172. So I'm configuring the gateway of this switch. So 192.168.50.4. Okay, and then go to ping 192.168.50.4. So here also the first package is going to drop. So after this I am going to reach this PC 50.3. So this is working fine, but when you are trying to ping 172.16.11.3, then it will not work. The 16.11.3. So because this is a different VLAN, that's why it will not work. And then you have to also ping from here. So ping 50.2. So it is working fine. So this PC and this PC is communication. Oh, this PC and this PC is working fine. And when you are trying to ping from here 172.16.11.2, so ping is missing. Ping. So this is also working fine. So ping 172.16.11.2. So this is also working fine. So here is different gateway. Here you have to same networks but different gateway. So here is 17 172.16.11.3 and gateway is 1, and here is 172.16.11.2 but gateway is 4. So it is reaching because it is connected with the L2 interface. That's why it will be reaching. If there is the one gateway in router, and then you have to put the gateway difference like 11.4 and 11.1, then it will be not reaching. So right now it will be reaching because of the L2 connection. Okay, thank you. Please like and subscribe.